Wait, did you know your Mac has a secret mode? It can fix crashes, speed up slow startups, and troubleshoot apps that won't open. It's called Safe Mode. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock it, step by step, for both Intel and Apple Silicon Macs. Even if you've never done this before, by the end of this video, you'll feel like a Mac Pro. Let's start with Intel Macs. Step 1. Shut down your Mac. Click the Apple menu at the top left, select Shutdown, and wait until your Mac completely powers off. Step 2. Start your Mac in Safe Mode. Press the power button to turn on your Mac. Immediately press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Keep holding Shift until you see the login window. Step 3. Log in. Enter your user password as usual. You'll see Safe Boot in the top right corner. That confirms you're in Safe Mode. Here's a tip. Safe Mode disables some features like accelerated graphics. Don't worry. Your Mac is still fully functional for troubleshooting. Now let's move to Apple Silicon Macs. Step 1. Shut down your Mac. Click the Apple menu, then shut down. Step 2. Access startup options. Press and hold the power button until you see Loading Startup Options. Step 3. Enter Safe Mode. Select your startup disk. Usually, it's named Macintosh HD. Press and hold the Shift key, then click Continue in Safe Mode. Step 4. Log in. Enter your user password. Look for Safe Boot at the top right corner to confirm. Here's a tip. Apple Silicon Macs take a few extra seconds to boot in Safe Mode. Be patient. It's completely normal. To exit Safe Mode, simply restart your Mac. Don't hold any keys. Your Mac will start normally. Another tip. If your Mac works fine in Safe Mode but not in normal mode, a login item or third-party app might be causing the issue, and that's it. Starting your Mac in Safe Mode is easy and can solve a lot of issues. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way, you won't miss future Mac tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.